Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can log in to another Snapchat account. So, if you have more than one Snapchat accounts and you want to log in the same device so you will have two Snapchat account on the same device. This is what you are going to do. So just watch this video until the end to know the steps. First, let's just launch the Snapchat apps. Okay, so after you open your Snapchat here, you can just click on this people icon or this person icon at the top left corner to go to your profile. Okay, so this is my current profile of the Snapchat account. Now you can just go to the settings on Snapchat by clicking on this gear icon at the top right corner. Tap on that and then just scroll down until you find this log out option. So just tap on that, and in here click on that now, and they will ask you again, are you sure you want to log out? So if you're confirmed, you can just tap on log out. Okay, so now you'll see this page right here. So what you need to do is here to add another account, you need to click on this switch account and you'll be directed to this login page. So what you need to do is just write the username or email of your second Snapchat account, add your password, and then tap on login. Okay, so just like that, it is so easy. And I'm going to tell you one more time. Let's show you again. So in here, if you want to have more than one account on the same device, you can just open your Snapchat, click on your profiles in here at the top right corner, and in here on your profile, go to the Snapchat settings by clicking on this, scroll down and tap on logout, click on logout again. Now to enter the second device, you can just tap on switch account and enter your login info and tap on login. So that's very easy, right? Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on thanks, and also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all on the next video. Bye!